The horn on the bus go beep 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 beep.
Pero umiiyak si Jaden.
Ay,
Hindi kasi maandar ang kotse.
beep.
Ako, magandang umaga, magandang hapon, magandang gabi. Today is June 1, 2025, Sunday. So, it's 10:13 na ng umaga. Simba po tayo. It's been a while since I last vlog. That is 3 weeks ago.
Makasumpong na ka na
Tagal-tagal
naman
pa.
eh. Leave him alone. Ayan na. Ayan na.
Stop umiyak. Maandar kasi tayo.
Ayan na.
Ginawang panghele
Pasulag
ang
ko na
kotse.
daddy mo. Gusto nating basta pasulag ko na dapat magdala tamong kaya. Ano? Tayo over? Para kapag stoplight load lang ganun.
Oo naman dito yung mga ano eh. Summer na dito pero hindi mukhang summer. Malimlim ang panahon.
Mommy and the best.
Malamig.
All through the
Nung Friday, ang ganda ng panahon nakapag-park. Si Daddy at si Janaya.
I love you.
Kahapon wala.
I love you.
Nag-uulan.
I love you.
Tapos mahangin. Malamig. Ngayon ulit. Hindi man summer. Global warming pa more. Hi ka daw, Naya. Sing properly, ah. Maayong kupi. Ay, kaya magkasakit kayong kupi. Kaya ma? Kayong hood na? Eh, maaabet? Ay, galing naman. I'm fearful with your tummy. Nangihi kasi siya ng milk. Yummy milk?
Aliwain kapsina.
Of course, it's all water. Are you gonna play with your friends? Nanaya? Are you gonna play with your friends?
Yeah, Naya play with her friends. Yeah. Naya play with her friends. Yeah.
Tayo na. Park pa mo. Si Daddy. Yun. Si Janaya. Naya! Naya! I'm coming! Takbo siya eh. Ang bigat.
Tara, let's go. Malaki yung mapa nun, ano?
Ay, galing ah.
Alam ko, yun yung malaki
Alam
mapa.
na gamitin ah. Galing ah. Galing ah. You know how to use it ah. What's this color again? About then the next one? This one? Dito kami sa family room. Palit ng diaper yung mga bata. Naya! Naya! Janaya! 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 Pauwi na kami. It's 1:30 na ng tanghali. Malamig. So, kami kumain sa labas. Bumili lang si daddy ng wedges and chicken tenders sa independent store.
Who's daddy?
Si Jaden, tsaka si daddy. Na kayo ni mamang. Tulog si Jaden. Gutom na si daddy. Nagdidigab. Okay. Let's go. Tapos si daddy bumili ng ice cup niya. Ice cup and more. Okay. We're here.
Hey! Remove your shoes.
Jaden. So, ito siya. Wedges and tenders galing sa Lablos. Chicken. Yum yum. And the wedges. Yummy. Sarap. Wedges pa more. Kasing siya. Buhok niya. Tanggalin mo na ano mo anak ko.
Remove your shoes.
Remove your shoes and your jacket. Tanggal na jacket. Huwag ganun. Tapon mo. Kain na tayo. Ano? Iduyan siya? Lagay siya dun. Sa duyan. Para makakain. Nagising siya eh. Hindi mo mahihiga. Ay, wag ganun, daddy.
One. Gentle, my love, gentle. Walis na, smiling.
Oh, gentle, anak.
I said, you're not gentle.
Tapos na kaming kumain.
Them there. It's dirty here.
Natawa si Jaden kay ate niya. What happened? What happened, Naya? Kiliti ka ni Daddy.
Daddy tickle? Tickle, daddy? Daddy tickle?
No, no. No, no. Hurt your tummy?
Affect your tummy?
Dumating na yung in-order sa Temu.
Yeah.
Pang educational for Janaya.
This one. Start here. Okay, one more.
What letter is that, Naya?
What letter is that?
Wow.
Start here. Here. Yan.
Galing.
Galing.
She knows how to trace
Nice.
it. Good job, Naya. Good job. Okay, the next letter.
What's next? Number 2.
Gulot, gulot.
Okay. Ganun pala yung nap.
Ano? Ah. What's that number, Naya? Ano siya, de? Higa mo sa kanya. Number 6 siya eh.
6
No.
na.
Yeah, ganyan, no? What's that number, Naya? 6.
The other way. Here, start
No,
here.
start on the top. Not like that. Start on the top, anak.
Start here.
On the top. Yan. There, like that. No. On the top. On the top. Always. On the top.
Start here.
Always start. Look at the arrow, oh. It's teaching you. Start from the top.
Galing. Oh, one more. There's one more. Start here.
On the top. Yay!
Nice.
I think Pampurade is yellow, no? Can you try the yellow?
Hold it. Hold your pen. The same thing.
It's the yellow. Takap yung gray. Meron pa doon na yan sa baba. It's the yellow, Daddy.
The same thing. In shape.
Wow, it's baby. It's wow.
Don't write on your finger, eh? Only there, okay? What's that, Naya?
It's a heart.
Oh,
Tentacle, tentacle, square, tentacle,
diamond
damage,
moon
and
cloud.
Flower.
Flower or cloud de?
Hmm?
Cloud or flower?
I think it's a flower.
Ano, mga na. Uy. Show it to Mamang, Naya. You write on it. Upsi. Show it to Mamang. You want to show it to Mamang?
no, and Sarah.
You need to do it in your table. Much easier.
No, what yet?
Much easier on the table.
That's it.
That's right. That's why you need to do it in the table. More easier. Kakain na kami. Kakain na naman. Ngayon, pang dinner. 7:30 na ng gabi. Pero may araw.
Hi, eraser!
May araw pa. Ulam natin is inasal. In the light. Time to sleep. It's 10:30 p.m. Anong gabi? Let's close our vlog, Jaden. Si ate, mag-sleep na rin din sa kwarto ni Mamang. Thank you po for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Mas marami pa pong makapanood. See you in our next vlog. Bye ka daw. Bye. 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 Bye.